Good day, everyone. Welcome to our special webinar honoring the outstanding contribution of our Gamaba awardees. I'm Jardel Figahata, your host for today. And I'm thrilled and honored to be your host for tonight. We're gathered here to celebrate the Filipino cultural artisans whose work preserves and promotes our rich cultural traditions. We hope these sessions inspires you to appreciate, support, and inspire and continue our vibrant cultural heritage.
So hi everyone, and I am Clarissa Bacaso, your second host for today. In this, we will explore the inspiring lives and works of our national artists. We'll learn about their journeys, dedication to their craft, and how their artistry shapes our community identity. Get ready for stories of passion, traditions, and cultural pride. We also encourage you to actively participate, ask questions, share your thoughts, and celebrate Filipino culture together. But before we start, I would like to introduce the members and the assigned in this task. Sharing with the three guest speaker, Antisco, she will be discussing Ginao Bilog. Angelica, she will be discussing about Masino Intaray. And last but not the least, Aryosa, she will discuss about the Samaon Shalaiman. And we all of our participants Abelo, but as hosts, will be asking as well because we are short on people.
All right, thank you, Clarissa. So today, I will introduce our first Gamaba awardee, Ginao Bilog, a master of the Ambahan poetry from the Mangyan community of Mindoro. He dedicated his life to preserving this beautiful oral tradition written on bamboo. Let's give him a warm virtual welcome.
He was inspired by the wisdom of their elders. The Ambahan holds the people's values and emotions and lessons about life. He wanted to make sure that even as time changes, their words and identity remain alive. But one challenge was the fewer young people were learning the Ambahan. To solve this, he encouraged them to write and share their own verses, keeping the language and rhyme of our ancestors alive.
All right, truly inspiring. Thank you. So, what moment made him realize the importance of his work?
When I saw children reciting Ambahan proudly in schools, I knew our culture would continue to live through them.
Alright, thank you for sharing the voice of the Mangyan people alive through poetry. Now, let's meet our next Gamaba awardee, a brilliant musician and storyteller from Palawan. Our next street artist of the Palawan people. He mastered the basal, kulilal, and budget traditional musical forms that tell stories of faith, struggle, and community. Welcome, Masino.
Masino Intarang was known for his deep connection to storytelling and community life. As a master of basar, kurilal, and baget, he used music and epic chants to express the struggles, hopes, and beliefs of the Palawan people. For him, performing was more than entertainment. It was a way to unite his community and remind them of their shared identity. Even when younger generation began drifting away from traditions, he, ki- he continued to perform with passion, showing that culture lives on through those who keep telling its stories.
Yes. What advice can you give to young Filipinos about preserving their culture?
Listen to the song of your elders, and every melody you'll find the roots of who we are as a Filipinos.
All right, thank you. So today I will the third awardee. So it's Samaon Sulaiman. Thank you, Miss Angelica, for sharing Masino and Taray. Now let's move to our final Gamaba awardee, a master musician from Mindanao. Samaon Sulaiman.
Samaun Sulaiman found his voice through the kudyaki, the traditional two-stringed lute of the Maguindanaon. His dedication and talent made him one of the finest musicians of his time. For Samaun, playing the kudyaki was both an art and a responsibility to preserve a sound that spoke of harmony, discipline, and pride. By teaching the next generation and performing in his community, he ensured that the music of the Kudyapi would continue to echo in the hearts of his people.
All right, thank you, Aryosa. Lastly, how can we encourage the youth to continue this art form?
Teaching them the joy of playing, let them feel the pride in our culture, then the young love their heritage, it will never fade.
We welcome your questions. Please raise your hand if you'd like to ask.
How can we incorporate traditional music into modern Filipinos events?
All right, thank you for the questions. To honor our Filipino heritage, we should blend traditional music like kolentang and kundiman with modern beats, creating vibrant and soundful sounds. Sharing this pride through media, collaborating with artists, and teaching our youth will keep our culture alive and thriving in the modern world.
How can we community support artisans and musicians?
Okay, thank you. Support local artisans by purchasing their works, attending cultural events, and sharing their stories. Community involvement is vital in sustaining our heritage.
In this digital age, how can we encourage the younger generation to appreciate the traditional arts?
We can use social media creatively through short videos, our art challenges, or online exhibits that highlight traditional music, weaving, or dance. When culture becomes part of digital spaces, young people see it not as old-fashioned,
Ate si ko,
but
ikaw
as
na.
something meaningful and exciting.
Thank you.
What What message would you like to share with today's Filipinos artists and cultural workers?
Never forget your roots. Our traditions are the foundation of our creativity. Whether you sing, paint, wave, or play music, always let your art tell the story who are as Filipinos.
Thank you all for your
Thank you
engaging
all for your
question and
engaging
participation.
question
We are
and
grateful to our
participation.
awardees
We are
for
grateful
sharing
to
their
our
inspiring
awardees for
stories and
sharing their
knowledge.
inspiring
Your work
stories and
truly
knowledge.
fuels our
Your
pride in
work truly
Filipino
fills our
culture.
pride in Filipino
Ikaw,
cultures.
we encourage
Ako na,
everyone
Nabi.
watching to support our Gamaba awardees
Learn about their crafts, share their stories.
and participate in cultural activities.
Let's keep our heritage vibrant and alive.
Once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.